Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss conditional statements in Python. What are conditional statements? Conditional statements are statements used to execute code only if a certain condition is met. So for example, if do this, else do something different. And the bolded text is known as pseudocode, our fake code. So now let's look at some real code in Python. So A equals 10, B equals 20. If A and B have the same value, print yes, else print no. Since A and B are not equal to each other, we are just going to print no to the console output. Now let's talk about elif statements. Python will check each if and elif statement until a condition is met. And you can use as many elif statements as you would like. So let's say you don't want the traditional if and else statement. You want Python to check some other conditions between it. So you can use elif. So if do this, elif do another thing, elif do something different, else do that. Now let's look at a real code example. A equals 10, B equals 11, and C equals 10. If A equals B, print first condition is true. That is not true, so this will not print to the console output. Elif A equals C, print second condition is true. This is true, so Python will just print second condition is true. As you can see, since this elif condition is met, Python won't even bother checking the else. The else condition is only checked if the if and elif conditions in this same statement are not true. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.